Hello guys, this your boy, the one and only, the notorious Nas. So yeah, guys, I'm back with another video, and on this one, we'll be discussing candlesticks. Understand? We'll be discussing candlesticks, and as you know, there's a lot of candlesticks outside and all over YouTube. Like, there's a lot of candlesticks. What. So now I'm going to introduce you to two of my favorite candlesticks that I use all the time. The ones that I focus on. I don't use those other ones. I only use these two candlesticks. So the first one is a bearish engulfing candlestick. And by the way, someone will ask, why are you saying you use candlesticks or what? So after analyzing, let's take your analyze. Let me just do a setup here, a drawing, man. You do a drawing. Let's say you are analyzing, and let's say you are analyzing, and the market was maybe respecting your trend line there. Then it went up. So let's say it came back to touch that trend line again. So how do you know that okay, the market is going to go up again? So that's when the candlesticks comes in, and so if I get the candlestick that I want there on that trend line, then I'll execute my trades. Understand? So that's how I'll be like confirming my entries using candlesticks. So let's remove this. Hey guys, I hope you understand. Pelana, my English is not that. Understand? We are not educated. Okay, I'm educated. It's just that I'm forex educated. Understand? When it comes to forex, come on, relax. Okay, yeah. Bearish engulfing candlestick. This is the first candlestick that you guys must check on, must try checking on, because these candlesticks, guys, they are strong and they really give you the direction where the market is heading. And the bearish candlestick, as we see, the first candlestick has to be like a small candlestick, then the other candlestick has to engulf the first candlestick. Understand? So if I see this setup next to my resistance zone, because this is a bearish, you'll find this on what do you call a bearish setup. Maybe let's take on a downtrend, and maybe the market went back up to a resistance zone or your trend line. Then when it touches your trend line, then it gives you this candlestick. Then you know that okay, now the market is going to drop massively. And how you end, honey, after this candlestick closes, the second candlestick, and you'll be executing your sales from that after it closes, and yeah, execute your sales. So yeah, that's the first candlestick, bearish engulfing candlestick, and the second one is this one, the bullish engulfing candlestick. So this one and this one are the same, just it's the inverse. Understand? So this one, the first one must be small again, just like this one must be a small candlestick, and the next candlestick must engulf the first candlestick. Understand? And by the way, colors don't matter, guys. Even if it was all of them, if they were blue like that, or they were green, because a lot of people, their charts are green, and they're green and red. Yeah. So the color doesn't matter. The color doesn't matter. As long as you see candlesticks engulfing each other on your zones, then you'll be executing trades. And this one too, and will be on a, let's take there was support zone. There was a support zone. Let's take there was a support zone. You are done with your analysis, and then you analyze, then you got a strong support zone. Got the strong support zone there. Let me do this. You got, let's take it as a support zone. Then you see these candlesticks, and after it closes, when this one closes, then you execute your buys. You'll be executing your buys from there. Then stop loss will be underneath the zone, obvious. Then target whatever you want to target, and it depends on the setup. Right? So yeah, that's how we'll be like using these candlesticks. And the second candlestick, and the second candlestick is the bearish hammer candlestick. So it's the same thing, like it's not different, guys. Like it's the same thing. If you get this candlestick on your resistance zone, so if it closes, then you're going to execute. If it closes, then you execute your sales. Understand? Same with this one. Like it's not. This thing is simple, guys. Let's even go to the live charts and check for something, and maybe we can find something. And by the way, the time frame that I recommend you to use to like identify the candlestick, use the M5. Understand? Or you can even try other time frames. Understand? Because now the time frame that I like using is the M5. So let's just do a little setup here and see if this thing. Okay, let's take this was our setup, and this was our setup. Let's say, let me do this. Okay, we had our first touch, our second touch, then it came back for the third touch, and so once it touches the trend line, go to your M5 and check for those candlesticks that I was telling you about. And as you see here, we have one candlestick confirming to us the direction. You see, we had and check the color. You see, that's why I said the colors don't matter, guys. The colors don't matter. As long as you see that, okay, this is a bullish hammer. So that this one is those bullish hammers that are like, let me do a drawing there, showing you how. So it's this one, yeah. So once if like I was on German 18 during this time, and then I'll manage to identify that candlestick after it closing, and I'll execute my buys there. Stop loss is going to be underneath the trend line, obvious. Underneath the trend line, it will depend on how much you want to risk, and it will depend on how much you want to risk, and the target will depend on how much you want to like want to make, and so yeah. And look, you see how this thing like gave me the direction, and this thing just like rallied up. So yeah, that's all. Nothing hard, guys. That's how you confirm your setups using candlesticks. Understand? And when you check here, here's another. This was a resistance zone, and when you check here, there's a engulfing candlestick here. As you see, that black one there was the small candlestick that I was talking about. Then the second one is the one that is engulfing the first candlestick. So yeah, on this one, and we'll be like executing our trades there. Guys, don't just go and like get a support zone like this and then start trading. No, I'm just giving you like a confluence on how to like take your trades, and after you done analyzing, identifying everything, when the market approaches your zone, and you can like look for these kind of sticks to like confirm for you that hey, English, guys, English is too much. So yeah, what these kind of candlesticks do, and like they give you the direction where the market is heading. As you see, there was an engulfing candlestick here, and look what happened after. See, just rallied up, like rallied up. Here again on this setup. So that's the power of candlestick, guys. That's the power of candlestick sticks. Someone must teach me English, guys. I think I see another one here. There's a support zone here. There's a support zone there. You see this candlestick here? For me, it's a what do you call? Ish, honestly. How did I even forget the name? But yeah, this one is the bullish hammer candlestick. Yeah, the bullish hammer candlestick. And you see, after it okay, look what happened. Look what happened. The market just like went up. So these candlesticks, guys, like they just give you like clue where the market might head and where the market might go. So and it can even help you to like ignore some trades and not take them, because you get let me take for example, let's say here on this setup and you got this kind of candlestick here. Let's take this kind of candlesticks was the one that touched the trend line like this. So if you saw this and then you know that this thing is gonna drop and this thing is gonna drop because it's showing me like bearish momentum. So here it even gave us two. Look, 1, 2. Then yeah, we'll have entered, went through a small drawdown, then boom. Yeah, hey guys, I'm done for today. So that's kind of sticks for me, for you. Yeah, I'm done. I'll upload other videos soon. Understand? So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Understand? My English is not good, and I'm the knowledge I share, guys. I'm telling you, like, just try to grasp everything and then combine it. Use it on like look for these things when you're trading. I'm telling you, you will be too much too. You will be like me. Understand? So yeah, I'm out, guys.